How to check the transmission fluid on a Ford Aspire 1997. First you want to go right here, and there will be a battery and a host of other parts. See, what you do is down here, you reach down here and you pull up on this dipstick, and then you read it. And what you read, if you have your camera and you're trying to make it focus but it just won't, well, you're just going, there we go, you just want to read it and it'll tell you if it's low or high. That's how you access your dipstick for your transmission fluid on a 1997 Ford Aspire. Have a wonderful day. Because we were just shaking everywhere. We were checking our transmission fluid. We're just checking our transmission fluid. Because that's just what we were doing. Just shaking. Checking our transmission fluid. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing and maybe installing a radiator. So, on a Ford Aspire. Aspire to be a radiator in your next life. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it with black gloves. Here we go. Okay, before I take this radiator out, I'm going to show you this fan right here. That the fan came from this car and it was already removed. So in a prior video, you can watch how that is removed. But until then, you can watch me connect this fan up. So I got the positive terminal connected, and now I just gotta connect up the negative terminal. And there we go. Now we have our very own fan. So now we can come over here, and we have a 10 millimeter, that is a, it's not an Imperial unit, it is a standard I, whatever it is, SI. So, put that on there, but you can't turn it with your hand. You're going to need a ratchet, and hopefully those the battery terminals stay connected, that wire, because it's kind of on there, all willy-nilly. But anyway, we're going to get this on here, and we're going to make sure it's tough to the direction that loosens it, which is the left way. The left way is counterclockwise, and that's how you loosen a fastener. So you want that to be tough when you go, and that loosened it. Hear that ratcheting mechanism? That is amazing. So we're going to do that about 20 to 50 times and get that fastener off, and then we're going to do the same thing for here, and there's going to be a couple over here. And what the main thing is to search and find all the fasteners and disconnect your battery. And the battery is not in this vehicle, it is over there, because you know, car surgery can be very fun and meticulous, and sometimes the battery is not in the car. So anyway, so I'm removing this, and we're just having a great time here at Matthumanpizza Studios. Yeah, my studio, my little outdoor studio. Before I get into the rest of the taking the radiator off, if you reverse the polarity of the your connections, the fan turns the opposite way. That's really cool. This is a very cool electrical, because now the fan is blowing this way. I couldn't figure out why every time I flipped it around, it was blowing out the opposite way. It was because I was hooking it up backwards. So now I'm getting a good airflow on me. But anyway, let's get the rest of these fasteners off, and I'll be right back at you.